I had this idea for a video last night, and it sounded like a great idea until I woke up. I think I need to be awake first. Come on. Hey, knock it off. She's awake. Come on.
I could be and be free, go to every party and be me and funny. Maybe then they'd see I could laugh, I could smile, go out drinking and be wild if I wasn't such a lonely child. I could dance.
My idea was just to kind of do a day in the life video, and I figure what better day than today since it's my birthday. First I need coffee though, and this is where a lot of other people will maybe put in a clip of them making coffee out of a French press or something like that. Not me, not here. Let's go get coffee, especially not on my birthday. Good, how about you?
Oh my goodness, hi Pops, goodness. What can I get y'all today?
Can I do the 6-shooter?
Sure, what size?
What size is it? Just like small,
Just
medium,
small,
large?
medium, large, yeah.
I'll do a medium.
Medium? You want that hot iced or blended?
Hot, please.
Okay, perfect. Whipped cream on top?
Sure.
Sure. Anything else for you today?
No, that's everything.
Alright, did you want a pop cup for your pop?
Sure.
Sure. Alright, so it's gonna be $6.77. Thank you, thank you. Do you have a stamp card for me to punch?
What's that?
Do you have a stamp card for me to punch?
No, I'm good.
I gotcha.
Thanks.
I'm just gonna ask you a real quick question. Thank you so much. Have a good one, okay?
Sweet, thanks. You too.
Is that 6-shooter?
This is pretty good. Right now we're in New Braunfels, Texas. So I think for today, for lunch, we'll go down and check out the Riverwalk in San Antonio. I went there a couple days ago. I really liked it. So just go get lunch for my birthday. I'm gonna take the dogs for a walk around the RV park before I go. I'm at a RV park called Canopy RV Resort in New Braunfels. It's actually really nice. Everything's pretty well maintained. They've got nice dog parks and a nice pool and clubhouse. Plan now is to maybe take a shower and then take Edie downtown to walk around and go to lunch. Miles, at 12 years old, I can barely get him around the RV park, let alone walking around downtown all afternoon in the heat. So he's gonna hang out here in the AC. Come on, Mouse. So San Antonio is only about 40-ish minutes from where we stay in New Braunfels, so it's pretty convenient if you want to check out San Antonio. You know, they're doing a lot of road work in and around San Antonio right now. It's not my favorite. I actually drove through here about a week ago when I first came down here. Stalled vehicle, go figure. With the RV. It's a little nerve-wracking because there's certain parts where there's not really a shoulder. The lanes are kind of narrow, especially with an almost 9-foot wide trailer. Came down to the Riverwalk the other day and I enjoyed it, so I figured I got nothing else to do on my birthday, why not come and grab lunch? So here we are. It's not for you. Alright, I don't know where the hell the day went. It wasn't super eventful other than me going to get lunch and kind of walking around downtown earlier. The last thing we're going to do is light this candle. I'm not even really a big cake guy, but my stepmom gives me shit every year if I don't eat cake on my birthday. So, this one is cheesecake, regular confetti cake, and then a blondie, like a brownie but a blondie on the bottom, so a little different. You see that? Oh, this fucking thing's not charged. Oh, I didn't turn it on. There we go.